sometimes what happened, parents being very close to the child, they don't able to see those weak points and strength points, which as a third eye can see. I think that was the core purpose of the psychometry test. So yes, I think it was great. It was good that assessment is done before the career counseling starts. In my interest and my personality, maximum things were accurate. Like I also had an opportunity to explore myself.
I think it was really good. It actually showed me my personalities, which I was not really aware of.
It was so comfortable and friendly session. I was able to share everything with her. She was also like a good listener, and she also gave me a lot of suggestions on my demerits, as I said before.
Analyzing what all are the top courses and jobs for me, they told me what I can do, like next after UG, what I can study, what I can approach, what type of work I can do, and everything, and where I can study, and all the courses and the colleges, university, they gave all briefly explained in that.
This program also helped me because I could see new prospects or new career options like data science and data analysis. They also helped me to choose a better career.
Program. This is actually a very different and emotional touch based methodology to keep the employees attached with the company. I think that's because kids are always the soft corner, and if you are thinking about the employees' kids, I think that actually keeps the employee associated with the company. They feel connected not only professionally but also emotionally. So that's a very well thought step. I think it's a very nice step.
I think it's a great initiative that DP World is doing this because it is very helpful and it guides a lot of people. Even I'm very grateful that I got this opportunity.
And it was very thoughtful of them for taking their time to do this for us, for our own better. It was really appreciative. I think it must have helped many out there who are still confused about their career, who are not well informed about what they want to do.
Thanks to the management. It's a very good, wonderful program. So it is useful to all the students. Okay.
I'd like to thank the DP World management for giving a great opportunity for me and my family. Okay. It is really a great effort from them.
Everybody is confused right now. What sort of career is suitable for him? But if you go through the Mentoria, it's a platform where everything is precisely mentioned, and then you have to pick what you want, and based on that, you have to connect the dots. So regarding your career, everything is available. It's a wonderful thing.
This is what is very crucial for me actually, for my son actually. We were just thinking about what would be the next thing I should do for my son, which course I'll select. I think this will really help.
As you said that most organizations focus on their employees development mainly. So yeah, it was a very good initiative by the DP World organization that they are also reaching out to the employees' family to help their children also get to know about developing their careers in many streams. Also, this program has would surely help many children to explore things which they didn't knew.
Want to say thank you to you because this session is too good. We know so many things. So, and everybody from DP World, everybody should attend the session and all that. Who child maybe 8, 9, 12, maybe they are in the first year, second year also, but they have to attend, I think.